Smart Navigation Breadcrumbs is powerful and easy to use plugin that will help you add breadcrumbs based navigation to your website. When you install the plugin, you will get several panels with settings looking like this. The first one, called settings, is used to set up how to display certain page types in WordPress. First of all, there are basic crumb elements: home, posts, auto archives, data archives, search, taxonomies, and 404 pages. For each one, you can set how the display for the item will look like, where this value tag will be replaced by actual value for that page type. For home, you can select to use website name or custom title you can set up here. And important thing that all these custom displays support use of HTML. Post types will be set up separately, and you will see standard post types, posts, pages, and media, and you will see custom post types. We have bbPress forums enabled, so it will add forums, topics, and replies. And we have one custom post type called products. You can also set up visibility for some types of pages here, so you can hide breadcrumbs on a home page or some other pages. For custom post types, if post type is a hierarchical one like pages, you can set what to display. You can set to use full hierarchy, parent only, or no hierarchy. And for forums, for instance, which have this is post type that has archives, post archives, you can set that to. And you can experiment to see how each of these will look like. Next panel is called plugins, where you can set up support for some specific plugins, so you can disable default bbPress plugins, or you can add breadcrumb selector rules in Smart Web Fonts Control plugin for applying web fonts. As for the styling, there are plenty of options here, and you have an example of how the currently set up style for breadcrumbs will look like. So it will use color red. This is one of the predefined colors. You can use custom color here. And you can select a background from here. There are several effects you can use. Border. You can set it up to be compact. We'll try that. And we'll disable shadows. You can also use arrow-like element as an example here, or you can switch to custom crumb element as defined here. You can also use this collapsible state where all breadcrumbs are collapsed on load, or you can disable and show all elements expanded. Let's try that. Since this is a responsive element, when in menu state, you can choose what to display on a menu button that opens a breadcrumbs menu. If you save settings, you will see how it reflects on the breadcrumbs here. So this is fully expanded using custom colors defined here. Most important thing is how to integrate this into a theme. You have manual integration, and for that you will need to use this code. You have select theme for integration, and here are the themes currently supported: Genesis Framework and Hybrid theme. More will be added in future versions. Or you can select custom action to hook into, and you can specify this action here. Since we are using default 2012 theme, we'll use this code here. Copy the code and we'll go to edit the theme. There is no strict rules on how to do this. It will depend on the theme. but for this type of theme we will add this in the header, at the end of the header bit. That's the place where the content will start. So we'll go to header.php file, and at the very end we will add this custom code, and that's it. So this is the page without breadcrumbs. I refresh, and here are the breadcrumbs. If you go to home page, you will see that breadcrumbs are not displayed as that was set in the settings. So you will get, this is a normal post, you will get category based navigation before, so you can go to this category here and you will see archive for this category, and you will see its parent category. As you can see, we are using website name as a first or start of the breadcrumb, and we can switch that to custom title and use home. And there it is. So all this works with all types of pages, and you can easily see how that looks like. If we go to archives for dates, it will look something like that. And if we go to date-based archive for 30 December of 2012, you will see also December in 2012 as a previous crumbs. Let's see how the breadcrumbs will look like if they are collapsible. And there it goes. If you hover over the element, you will see the full element expanded. Click and you will go to that specific archive page. Plugin also supports BVPress forums, so if you go to forums, you will see something like this. If you navigate further, you will also see forums, next forum, subforums. Same goes for topics. Because of that, you will see that this method of navigation is very useful if you have a very long breadcrumb, so it will make it more compact and easy to use. If you don't like it, you can always leave it expanded fully. As for the coloring, let's switch to some other color. Let's use orange and dark background. Let's use rounded shadow and light text shadow. As you can see, it's very easy to style breadcrumbs as you want them to look like. Not all style combinations will look best, but that's the way. That's the reason you can set up any style you want and use it like that. And because of that, it's easy to match breadcrumbs to style of your website. So let's switch to basic dark and light. And that's the style that will best match currently used theme. This is how the breadcrumbs will look with the compact style enabled, and you can also see now how it will look like if the view on the small screen, when it will turn into menu. And let's see, if we make screen smaller it will look something like this. So you will get home element first, and all other elements will be available when you click breadcrumbs button. So it will work very well on a small displays in displays that don't support hover but are touch based, like mobile devices. Breadcrumbs are a rich snippet ready, so search engines like Google will immediately discover breadcrumbs on the page and use them in search results. So if we are on this page, and if we open Google test tool and paste the current HTML, you will see something like this, and you see the breadcrumbs leading to this page, starting with home, blog, and Code Canyon, as available here. So this will also help your website visibility in search engines. This option is enabled by default, and there is no need to do anything else. It is supported right away.